Hi, my name is Raji Kipel and I am the founder of Wealth Buddies. Wealth Buddies is a platform that helps you achieve your financial goals by helping you understand where you are with your finances currently and how you can achieve your goals in the future through a step-by-step plan. As part of building the MVP for Wealth Buddies, I've had the privilege to work with the team at Million Labs. I have to say that they are an amazing team, and I have had such a great experience with them whilst developing Wealth Buddies, especially when it came to their communication. They made sure that everything was communicated properly and there was a timeline attached to each of the milestone that just really helped both of us, both myself and the team, to make sure that we kind of stuck to the timeline and achieve each of the milestone. The team, particularly Verena, Seb, Joseph, they were all really great and they were really helpful in understanding what exactly I wanted out of the MVP and then work towards it. And like I said, because they had a timeline in place, they made sure they stuck to it, which really meant that we were able to create the MVP in very limited time. I am very pleased and happy with the support that was provided by Million Labs. I really hope to continue working with them together.